class 5. I hope you all are doing great and safe at your home. So class, today is 6th of April 2021 and the day is Tuesday. So yesterday we studied about the concept of how we can write and read numbers which goes up to billion. Isn't class? So let's see. I have 2 space 894 space 000 space 000. So who will tell me how can I write this number into words? Yes, Ahmad Zahid, you tell me how we can write this number into words. Very good. First of all, I will make a place value chart like this. Ones, thousands, millions and billions. Okay? Now, the ones will be further divided into subunits, which is ones, tens and hundred. Thousands will be further divided into thousands, 10,000 and 100,000. Millions will be further divided into million, 10 million, 100 million. Now, billions will be further divided into billion, 10 billion and 100 billion. Okay? So as we know class, 7-digit number is equal to million, but this number goes up to 10 digits. So that's why I will write billions columns also. Okay? Now I am going to put the values inside the place value chart. Let's see here. These 3 zeros belongs to ones because I am starting from this side, so there is ones column. So I will put 1 by 1. Next, these 3 zeros belongs to thousand because there is a gap in between of 2, so I will write 3 zeros which belongs to thousands. Next I have 894 which belongs to millions, so I will write 498 which belongs to millions. Likewise, I have billions which is at billion place, so I will write 2 is at billion place. Okay, this is how we can write and put the values of the numbers which goes up to 10-digit number into place value chart. Now it's turn to write in words form, which is 2 billion. Okay, 2 billion, 2 is at billion place, so I will write 2 billion 800 million. 800 and million की और क्या है साथ में टर्म, which is 94. 894 million, and in the end we have zeros. Okay, so this is the end of this question. This is how we can write this number into words. 2,894 million. 894 million. Is it clear class? Okay, so today we have the numbers in the figure giving the spaces correctly. अब हमारे पास क्या होगा? Words में given होगा and we have to write in numbers by giving them spaces correctly according to international system. Okay, so I am going to write question number 8, which is on page number 4. Write 500,000. Okay, so in this question we have in word form. So first of all we will make a place value chart. अब बिलियन की बात हुई है, so we will go up to billions. वंस के बाद क्या आता है? इससे पहले वन से पहले थाउजेंड्स, मिलियंस एंड बिलियंस. Okay, ones will be further divided into hundred, tens and ones. Thousands will be further divided into 1,000, 10,000 and 100,000. Now millions will be further divided into millions, 10 million, 100 million. Now billions will be further divided into billion, 10 billion and 100 billion. Okay, now I am moving back, which is the statement of part A. 2 billion, 2 is at billion. Okay, I will write 2 is at billion place. 500,000, 500,000, 500,000. So it's mean the remaining units are zeros, is at zeros place. और ये जो मिड में होगा ये भी क्या होगा? मिलियंस पर zeros. मिलियंस पे भी क्या होगा क्लास? zeros. So this is the way to write words into numbers. Now according to the condition of the question we have giving them spaces correctly. So 2 which is at million place, these 3 zeros belongs to millions and the next unit will start is going to start, so which is billion. So I will give them space, then 3 zeros, then space because the next unit starts which is 1,500. इसकी क्या है हमारे पास? 500 value, then space and then 1,000. Okay, 2 is at million place, so I will write 2, then 3 space, then 3 zeros. These 3 zeros belongs to million, then space because the next unit starts which is 1,000 and thousands की क्या वैल्यू है हमारे पास? 500, then space and then 3 zeros. और ये 3 zeros हमने क्यों लिखे हैं इन पे? because ones have zeros. Now moving towards this next part. So first of all I will make a place value chart like this. Ones, thousands, millions and billions. Okay, ones, thousands, millions and billions. So class, according to condition we have 5 billion. First of all we will divide it into subunits which is ones, tens, 100. Thousands को करेंगे 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. Likewise million, 10 million and 100 million. Then billion, 10 billion, 100 billion. Okay, according to the ओके, अब हम क्या करते हैं, अब इसको स्पेसिस के अकॉर्डिंग इस फिगर को हमने क्या करना है, राइट करना है। इज इट क्लियर क्लास? ओके, 5 which belongs to billion place, then space 740 which belongs to million place, space thousands which belongs to thousands place, space then triple zeros which belongs to ones. Is it clear? 5 is at billion place, then space 740 किसको belong कर रहा है, million को, so we will write 740 space these 3 zeros belongs to thousand, so we will write thousand, then space, and these 3 zeros belongs to ones, so we will write 3 zeros. Okay, so class, now I am going to repeat this example. Just listen to me very carefully. I have 5,740 million. So अब इसको लिखने का वे क्या होगा, first of all we will put the value in this place value chart. 5 is at billion place according to the condition, so I will write 5 is at billion place. Then 740 million, 740 million, so it's mean के 100 million पे क्या प्लेस हो रहा है, 7, okay, and 40 is placed at 40 is placed as at million. So in the end I found 740 belongs to millions, 740 belongs to millions. Then अब जो remaining है उसमें क्या होंगे हमारे zeros, because there is no any other word in the end. ये clear है सबको? B part. Now I am moving towards C part. So first of all, according to this, we will make a place value chart. Ones, thousands, millions and billions. Okay. Now ones will be further divided into ones, tens and hundred. Thousands will be further divided into thousand, 10,000 and 100,000. Now millions will be further divided into millions, 10 million, 100 million. Now billion will be further divided into billions, 10 billion, 100 billion. Okay. Now 3 billion, 3 is at billion place, so I will write 3 is at billion place. 209 million, 209 million, 209, 9 is at million place, so I will write 209 million. 209 million, 9 is at unit place of million, so I will write 9 million. Next 700 So in the end, according to the condition of the statement, we have to write this figure by giving them spaces correctly. So how we can write according to international system? Let's see here. 3 is at billion place, then space 209, then space 750, then space, then 026. Okay, this 3 belongs to billion, so I will write 3, then space 209 belongs to million, so I will write 209, then space this 750 belongs to 1000, so I will write 750, then space 26 belongs to ones column, so I will write 26. ये स्पेस जो है हम लोग क्यों देते हैं जी? वेरी गुड. टू अकॉर्डिंग टू इंटरनेशनल सिस्टम हम स्पेसेस इसलिए देते हैं ताकि आइडेंटिफाई कर सकें कि विच यूनिट बिलोंग्स टू विच टाइटल. ओके, वो किस जो है वो यूनिट से बिलोंग करता है. सो दैट्स व्हाई वी विल गिविंग देम स्पेस. ये क्लियर है सबको? ओके. Now moving towards question number 9. Write the place value of the ringed digit. Write the place value of the ringed digit. Okay, A part 14,179 space 623. Okay, 14 space 179 space 623. और जो रिंग है मीन सर्कल है वो किस पे है? 7 पर. So first of all, according to place value chart, we will give them place value. Unit, I am starting from this side. Unit, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million. So 7 जो है वो क्या है उसकी place value? What is the place value of 7 class? Yes, Hassan, you tell me what is the place value of 7? Very good. 70,000. 70,000. 7 is at 10,000, so I will write 70,000. किसको ये identify करे? 70,000. So in words you will write 70,000. In both ways these are correct. Okay, so I hope this concept is clear to all of you. If you still find any difficulty related to this, you will ask me. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.